Lee, and I am ready to see the next patient in room 1. Hello, hello. Come on in, take a seat. My name is Lee, and I am the medical assistant that'll be just getting your history, doing your vital signs, and figuring out what brought you in today. Do you mind getting me your first and last name? Okay, and date of birth. Yep, I see you here in the system. And what brought you in today at the ASMR OB-GYN clinic? A breast exam? Okay, yeah. Are you having any breast concerns at all? No. You're not really comfortable performing a breast exam on yourself? No, that's okay. Yeah, no, I've definitely had a few patients that have reported that as well. It's not always the most comfortable self-exam that we can do, so it's definitely great that you came in because of your family history. Okay, yeah. Let me take a look and see here. Can you confirm your medical history for me? Okay, and then meds, just as needed. Surgeries, nothing. Okay, don't smoke or drink. Just making sure. And then family history, it looks like you have a maternal aunt with breast cancer as well as a paternal grandmother. Okay, any new diagnoses since you've been seen at a clinic? Okay, no, I completely understand. Yeah, so we'll just do like a full comprehensive breast exam. I will let Leanna, the PA, know you're not really having any concerns. It's just more so to kind of do the comprehensive breast exam for your comfort. Yeah, for sure. I'm super glad that you came in today. So, if it's okay with you, I'm just going to take your vital signs and then Leanna, the PA, will be in. Awesome. Let me just put this here. I'm gonna put some sanitizer first. Okay, let's do your blood pressure check. Oh yeah, no, definitely nothing to be embarrassed about, but just know you're never alone. And this concern that you have, a lot of patients we see report the same thing of either not feeling comfortable doing an exam themselves or just unsure of how to do one, Yeah, so you can slide your arm in there. I'm just gonna press down a little bit here. Okay, press down, perfect. Does that feel tight? All right, and then I'm just going to take a quick listen. Very good. Let me just reset the system here. Blood pressure is normal. Anyone in your family do genetic testing when they got their diagnosis? Not sure of the results. No, it's always a key subject for a lot of people. And then anyone around you sick at home, having any cold or flu-like symptoms today? Okay. That's good. Hopefully they all stay very healthy. Okay. I always feel like when I do that, I rip the whole thing, but I didn't. Yeah, I did. right underneath your tongue. Okay. Yeah, you are actually my last patient of the day today, so. Yeah, no, it's lovely. Temperature's good. Awesome. Let's put that away and let's get a chart started for you. I gotta go pick up my little bugger after this. Take him home. But I'm so happy I was able to do some hours at the ASMR clinic today, though. It feels refreshing. Like, I've missed it. Yeah. Okay. I've got your vitals written. I will let Leanna, the PA, know that you are ready for that breast exam. And then I am leaving a drape right up there for you. Just have it so that it opens front-wise, not open in the back, okay? Yeah, and then everything bottom-wise can just stay on for this. Oh, you're so very welcome. It's a pleasure seeing you. I got you all checked in, and the PA will be in shortly. Yep, no problem at all. You have a good one. Hello. Lee, the medical assistant, was just telling me about what brought you in today. It looks like you just ran a full comprehensive breast exam, but not having any concerns or anything like that, right? Okay, lovely. Just making sure. So, looks like you've got your gown on. Oh, yeah, with this gown it's a little bit annoying, but I'll help you unbutton the certain areas, okay? Yes, don't even worry about it. It happens to the best of us. All right, so let's get some gloves on here. Yeah, no, don't ever feel bad for coming in. It is not a waste of a visit. I think it's so good that, you know, you're even able to identify that's just not something you're super comfortable with, and we have no problems doing it for you just to be on the safe side. Yes, absolutely. So, I'm just going to unbutton this side here, okay? And then we'll button it back up after. But I'm just doing a general look first, okay? If it's okay with you, I'm just going to grab a pen light. Just doing a general look at the skin. You let me know if you get too uncomfortable. Okay. You haven't noticed any nipple discharge or skin changes, right? Do you mind lifting this arm for me? Good. No swollen lymph nodes that you've noticed? Okay, just making sure. Okay. So general skin assessment, just from what I could see, everything looks normal. And then this is when I'm just going to press down, okay? This kind of takes the longest, just to see if we feel, you know, any suspicious lumps or if you have tenderness or anything like that. And of course, there are a lot of things that exist that are benign, like fibroadenomas or fibrocystic breast disease that may present kind of scary, but are actually not cancerous at all. Yeah, they're especially common in women in their 20s, 30s. Yeah. Kind of treat the breast like a clock. You really try to keep your palm and your glove, like, or your fingers on the breast at all times versus going like this, just so you don't avoid skipping any areas. And if you can actually lift this arm for me, I just want to make sure you don't have any swollen lymph nodes. Good. All right. This breast exam appears normal, so let me hardest part is really finding the buttons. But it helped. Well, not the buttons. Okay, let me see. Okay, let's put it here. Why am I struggling? Your girl is struggling. Let's see. Why is this so difficult? How are patients expected to know how to do any of this? Because I sure don't. Oh, got it. Cool. We're on to something. Okay. Let's go there. No, come on. It will definitely not. Here. There we go. Okay. All set with that side. Now we're just gonna unbutton this side here, okay? Okay. I'm just gonna take a look. It's general skin assessment first. Yeah, and then some of us have super dense breasts naturally, where it may make it harder for us to do self-breast exams at home because everywhere just feels dense. Yeah, that can happen as well. Okay, and if you can lift this arm, good. Visibly, everything's fine. I'm just gonna do the exam now. Yeah, no, I completely understand. Such important exams too. I mean, there's this huge thing about whether or not self-breast exams were supposed to be recommended or not, but I just find that a little bit odd. Like, why wouldn't you? Oftentimes, I feel like it's us that recognize the problems first before the providers, but, you know, just my opinion. Okay, lift this arm. No swollen lymph nodes or anything like that. So let me take this. I'm just gonna button you up here, okay? There you go. Another one. Perfect. Alright, and you are fully covered. Come to the side here. Okay, I'm gonna take these off. So, as far as your breast exam today, everything was within normal limits. I didn't feel anything concerning. I didn't see any concerning skin changes or nipple inversion or anything like that. So, with all of that being said, though, you know, you come whenever you feel like necessary. Oftentimes, a lot of my patients, if they do perform the self-breast exams, now that you've seen it actually done, they do it in the shower. It's kind of the way they remember, just once a month. It's always good to know if you notice a new lump or skin changes or nipple inversion or discharge or anything that could be new. Because if there's ever any hesitation, I would be more than happy to order breast imaging for you. And depending on your age, that might be an ultrasound, it could be a mammogram, it could be both of them technically if needed. So that's, you know, for me to help you with and getting those orders manageable. Okay? No, it was absolutely not a problem at all. It looks like you'll be due just for your routine annual exam in like 6 months or so. So at checkout, you can always make that follow-up appointment. But otherwise, you're going to be all set today. Absolutely. Is there anything else that I can get for you? Awesome. So I'll give you some privacy. You could just leave this blue gown here, and then the girls will see you at checkout. They can schedule your annual out for 6 months, and at that annual, we'll also be doing a breast exam along with the abdominal exam where we press on you, and the pelvic exam. And if you're due for a PAP, we would do it at that time as well. For sure, if you absolutely need anything, you let us know. Also, just a side note, with your family history, we do offer genetic testing. I'll have a brochure at checkout for you in the event that you're interested in something like that. Absolutely, not a problem at all. I hope you have an amazing day. Thank you.